Cook with okra stew or okra soup is one of my favorite meal back in the old ages. Okay, I love it so much. And do you know you can make okra stew or soup under 1 hour? So in this recipe, I'm going to show you how I make my okra stew or soup under 1 hour. Okay, so these are the ingredients I am using for my recipe. I have my okra, I have some spinach, some vegetables, tomato, onions, pepper. So I chop everything and then blend it together. Yes, everything together. So this is ginger, I have garlic, I have tomatoes, and yellow bell pepper. So with this recipe, I'm using cow meat or beef and also some mackerel, mushroom. You can use any protein of your choice. And here I have blended all the ingredients, the tomatoes, the pepper, the onion, and then I'm adding my salt to taste. And this one is rosemary for the flavor. Yes. So this is how we are going to we blend everything together. We don't want to waste time. Yeah, so I mix everything together and then cover for it to cook. So in another pan, I add my okra and then this one is saltpeter. In my local language, we say ekeng. Yeah, for the slimy of the okra. That's what we use. So I cover it and let it cook for some time. Okay, and here we are checking on our soup. So it's cooking beautifully. We stir everything so that the meat does not get to the stick to the pan. So, and when you are stirring, you have to be gentle because of the fish. You have to be gentle. So we cook until our meat is soft and tender. Okay, and then we taste for salt. So we go back and check on our okra or okra, anyhow you say it. Okay, and then we are stirring it and it's ready. And as you see, my okra here is a little bit bigger, and I wanted it, for it to be like in little bits. So after cooking, I pour it into my earthenware bowl and then I grind it a little. You can also use a blender if you like. So here I go it this way, and you see it's broken into a little pieces, and I like it that way. So here our sauce or soup is smelling good, and it's okay for us to add our okra to it. So I go ahead and then stir, 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 and look at that. It looks so beautiful. It smells so good. So at this point, you can enjoy it like that without oil. But the purpose of this video, I'm using oil for this recipe. Okay, so here I added my spinach to it. I love it this way when it is chunk in it like this. So I leave it like that. And in another pan, I added my palm oil, and then I use some chopped onions for flavor. Okay, for the oil. So I leave it on for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I added my salted fish, momone, to take the oil to the next level. Yeah, so I stir, and then it's time for me to pour it on the soup or the stew. Is this a soup or a stew? Please tell me. So here it is, and we are finally done with our okra soup with oil. Yeah. So I stir everything and it smells so good. And this time my banku was already prepared, and then we are going to enjoy. So look at this. It's looking so beautiful and it was tasting so good. So all it left for us to do is to serve and enjoy our okra stew. Just under 1 hour, we are done. So we check, we serve with our banku. So you see the banku there? Yes, and then we are going to enjoy it. So if you like what I am doing, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We have amazing recipes for you and your wonderful family. Simple, beautiful, yummy recipe for you. So this is it. How do you see it? Let me know in the comment section below. Until we see you, God bless you. Enjoy it. And then see you in our next video. We say bye-bye.